So I'm going to redo problem 5 with the triangle inside the triangle so you can have a visual representation of what we're seeing here. So we're given this triangle where angle A is 55.3 degrees, side A is 22.8, and side B is 24.9. So I do this as an equilateral, well, sort of an equilateral, because sides A and B are pretty close to each other. And then I'm going to go with the next step. So the next step is I'm going to find angle B. So we're going to use the law of sine. We do that math, and we're going to get B has an angle of 63.9 degrees. We need to check to see if there's a second triangle. So because B is acute and sine is positive in both the first and the second quadrant, we need to check to see if there is a second triangle. So 180 minus 63.9 is 116.1 degrees. But where does this triangle look like? What does this look like? So what happens is we're going to take CB and swing it in so that this measurement here is still 22.8. If you can visualize just swinging it in. And then we're going to have this new measurement here for B prime as 116.1 degrees. Now notice all the givens are here. We have angle A with 55.3 degrees. We have B is 25. Here it's going to be B prime, but it's still B 24.9. And we have A is 22.8. So all the givens are still here. So our triangles then, we've got this large triangle here. And then we also have this other triangle. And that's what we need to, that's why we have to separate them out. So we've got two different triangles here. So I'm going to go ahead and write B is 63.9 degrees in our second triangle, which is 116.1. We need to still find angle C, but we're also going to have a different angles for C prime because C is going to be this angle here. But C prime is just going to be this angle here. So how I got this measurement is 63.9 plus 55.3, and I subtracted that from 180, and that's how I got the 60.8. And likewise, I did the same thing, 116.1 plus 55.3, subtract that value from 180, and you get 8.6. Now the last value we need to get is side. We do that using the law of sines. And we do that math and we get C, the side C prime has a measurement of 4.1. So that's going to be this measurement right here. Now for just angle C, entire length here. Okay, now I will still continue to draw this as two separate triangles because for me this is very busy and it's distracting for me. But if this helps you, please do it this way.